Google, one of the largest buyers of NVIDIA's AI chips, is ramping up efforts to expand its own Tensor processing units, that is TPUs, signaling a bold new front in the AI chip race. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Traditionally, Google has rented NVIDIA's GPUs through its cloud service to major players like OpenAI and Meta. Now, the company is aggressively pitching its TPUs to smaller cloud providers, many of whom primarily rely on NVIDIA hardware. In a first-of-its-kind deal, Google has partnered with London-based Fluidstack to install TPUs in a New York data center, marking the first time Google has placed its custom chips in another provider's facility. The move is a direct challenge to NVIDIA's market dominance, as every rack of TPUs could mean fewer NVIDIA GPUs in these centers. It also reflects growing demand from cloud firms and AI developers to diversify away from a single supplier. Perhaps most striking, Google agreed to act as a financial backstop for up to $3.2 billion if Fluidstack fails to cover its lease, an unprecedented show of commitment to drive TPU adoption. This strategy underscores the high-stakes battle for AI infrastructure leadership, with Google betting big to shape the future of artificial intelligence. Let's look into today's headlines. AMD offers 100,000 free cloud GPU hours and STEM training to boost India's AI and startup ecosystem. AMD has announced 100,000 hours of free developer cloud access for Indian researchers and startups over the next year, enabling access to AMD Instinct MI300X GPUs for AI innovation and research. The initiative aims to reduce barriers to enterprise-grade AI infrastructure while supporting India's growing startup ecosystem. Additionally, AMD will train 100,000 STEM graduates in AI and GPU programming over 3 years, providing hands-on experience with AMD ROCm tools. The program is designed to accelerate innovation, digital transformation, and open-source development in India. Nothing to launch first flagship store in India as CMF sets global headquarters. Nothing co-founder Akis Evangelidis has announced that the company will open its first flagship store in India later this year, following his meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Evangelidis highlighted that Nothing Phone 3 is manufactured and exported from India, showcasing the nation's tech capabilities. Meanwhile, CMF, Nothing's sub-brand, is setting up its global headquarters in India and expanding its leadership with local talent. The flagship store will offer direct consumer access to Nothing's latest devices. Adobe Premiere brings free AI-powered Pro video editing to iPhones from September 30th. Adobe is launching Premiere for iPhones on September 30th, offering pro-level video editing tools, AI-powered features, and 4K HDR support for free without watermarks. Unlike Premiere Rush, the new app provides a multi-track timeline, unlimited layers, one-tap exports of TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, and auto-resizing for social media. Powered by Adobe Firefly AI, it includes generative sound effects, speech enhancement, and auto-captioning. Users also get access to Adobe's stock library, fonts, and Lightroom presets. An Android version is coming soon. Facebook's Poke feature gets a comeback with new updates. Facebook is reviving its nostalgic Poke feature, once a viral trend in the 2010s. The social media giant has now added a dedicated Pokes page and made it easier to poke friends directly from their profiles. Users can track how many times they have poked each other, allowing streaks to return. Once used as a quirky way to nudge, annoy, or flirt, Pokes faded by the late 2010s. Now, in 2025, Facebook hopes to rekindle engagement through this retro feature. The Karnataka cabinet pushes for ballot papers in local polls, cites EVM credibility concerns. The Karnataka cabinet has recommended using ballot papers instead of electronic voting machines, that is EVMs, for all upcoming local body elections, citing eroded public trust in EVMs. Law Minister H.K. Patil said the move aims to restore electoral transparency and authorized the State Election Commission to prepare and revise voter rolls. The decision comes amid Congress allegations of vote list manipulation during the 2024 Lok Sabha polls and Rahul Gandhi's demand for paper ballots nationwide to ensure fair and transparent elections. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.